Hey guys, I'm Raj Santosh and now I'm going to show you how to speed cube this. In the next few videos, I'm going to show you how to solve this, but for now, let's just stick to speed cubing it. Now, this is a 3 by 3. Now, I'm going to shuffle this. And now this is shuffled to 3 by 3. And now I'm going to set my timer. Now I'm going to start it. And now 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. This is completed solved cube, and now this is my time, 2 minutes 3 seconds. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and be sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching this video.